DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
We got Rymey Gad, the one I name not yet. Alright, I don't know what I want to do after this. Well, I'm trying to do on live stream them. I'm trying to do reactions and like music reaction, but some other reactions as well. So I don't know after this, I'm gonna take a break and then come back to the music reactions. Depends on how still. If you wanna stay active and dropping requests, yeah. It's me I say, but yeah, we got Rymey Gad, the one I name not yet. He dropped the one or 2 weeks ago. Can't believe I can get around to this one, but yeah, may I get around to it now. That's the way that I can deal with Rymey Gad, bad artist, up and coming artist. We like, there's been reacting him quite a lot over here, and he's been on a good track so far. So hopefully he continue. Rymey Gad, not yet. Let's get it.
Oh yeah, not yet. Never really want to be the miracles.
Pablo YG. This Pablo YG. How dog name? What they call that dog? What the me call him? Put, damn. Put it. Damn.
I decided I had to change my life. Sweet.
Nah, the man Bucky Bumba be my them skate. Chief! They now play the machine them. Come in, dog.
Oh yeah. No.
Bumbo Clark. Quella. Rymey Gad.
Yeah.
How dog name? Put what dog name? If you got dog name, man, we know a dog though. Him too, you see me? Pablo. Yeah.
Never wanna put my heart on the line.
Easy, yeah. Clad. What it is?
I decided I had to change my life.
Yeah.
Sweepstakes, you really changed my life.
Sweepstakes, you really change. Because I hear that lyrics are going.
You made me where I am for sure.
Sing to the sweepstakes.
Judge, they say that's what I made me feel like me living up a heaven. Mount of money what we stole. She said she got more, but the bitch I made me feel like me woulda jump on a bike and freestyle.
Oh, I sing to the skull, come in.
But the money what we stole, it to move. Don't give up, not yet. Dark press, because I never want to call me.
Who must have put in work? Start press, brother. Start press, come in.
Put in work, dark press, because I never want to call me. Short, big, fat, right, put aside as schemos. But still, we no hype, we no three balls.
I go and press and no one call, make me short, you know. You see me? Hey, come in, listen to dog.
Put in work, dark press, because I never want to call me. Short, big, fat, right, put aside as schemos. But still, we no hype, we no.
No one call me short, big, fat, right, put it next to a schemos.
Three balls, three data. If you mind me, no three gold. Guess what? Fuck you, made. Fuck you, be. Me short too clean for you, make me a vid. Too much gal want fuck me for free, but still, me no hype, and you know, man, I mean.
Talk to them, you.
If you mind me, no three gold. Guess what? Fuck you, made. Fuck you, be. Me short too clean for you, make me a vid. Too much gal want fuck me for free, but still, me no hype, and you know, man, I mean. Got him knowing how we class, knowing how we league. Yeah, me have a dark, but set me free. Get me grief.
Come in, no man, right? Wait, me like the part. Come in, yeah, hold on, take you out.
Big fat right, put aside as schemos. But still we no hype, we no three balls, three data. If you mind me, no three gold, guess what?
3 data, dog.
Fuck you, made. Fuck you, be. Me short too clean for you, make me a vid. Too much gal want fuck me for free, but still me no hype, and you know, man, I mean. Got him knowing how we class, knowing how we league. Yeah, me have a dark, but set me free. Get me green.
Come in, man. Talk to them, right? Hey, I like the flow on this one, bro. This is different, dog. I like it. I like this shit.
Could I never see another like me? Because that's what I make me feel like me living up a heaven. Mount of money what we stole. She said she got more. But them
Scholar make me feel like me live up a heaven. One time me stole. And she said she got more. Then I gotta easy, come in. Hey, come
like
in.
me. Because that scholar make me feel like me living up a heaven. More time money when we stole. She said she got more. But the bitch make me feel like me woulda jump on a bike and freestyle. But the money when we stole, it too much.
Easy no man, talk to them. Rymey Gad. Hey, what about them? What are they about? Not yet. I like it. I like it. This one going to the playlist for sure. Hold on, which one? I go to the chopping playlist. You see me? The fun playlist. Can we go to the Mets playlist too, don't it? Come in, let's get it.
Oh, yeah. You never stay. You never stay. Know me, and you don't. Cause you never stay there. Spend the rest of your days there. Cause this color make me feel like me living up a heaven.
Bala. Right?
Mount of money when we stole. She said she got more. But the bitch make me feel like me woulda jump on a bike and freestyle. But the money when we stole, it too much.
Big up everybody in there, man. DJ, DNJ, Jamaica 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐍. Hey, big up more from there. Go on.
Don't give up, not yet. Don't give up,
Not yet.
because that bitch said she need me no more.
Watch it.
And Mafia, bomba, Rymey Gad. You see me down the name? Clean, not yet, gang. You see me I say? Man, slid on that track. I like that one. You see me I say? When I produce by Sav, man. Yeah, man, big up on the damn self. Rymey Gad been doing this thing, bro. Dog, very creative. You see me I say? And he got far. He's creative. He got talent. He got far to go on this shit. You see me I say? Yeah, man. He can definitely find a place, solidifying place in the dance hall, yeah, man. You see me I say? He got out a track like this before it was like creative. I forgot the name of that track too. But Rymey Gad, yeah, man, be interested to see where dog go with this and when it reach in a dance hall. You see me I say? How far he take his career. You see me I say? So big up everybody in the chat right now. Who there? Who there? Yeah, man. Vado States, 48𝐂𝐂𝐃. Big up your damn self. Riley Boss. Big up your damn self. Stunner YC. What's good, my G? Russian, bro. No, you doing, my G? We reacted that one again. It's a player, Rico. The Rymey Gad, not yet. We do that one there. Davian Matthews. Big up yourself, my G. Where's there?
I always tell the truth, even when I lie.